What if the food in your kitchen right now is the reason you're forgetting names tomorrow? What if I told you that your brain is basically a dishwasher, and sleep is the only time it actually runs a cleaning cycle? No, seriously. While you're lying there drooling on your pillow, your brain activates something called the glymphatic system, a microscopic waste removal network that flushes out toxic proteins, repairs neural connections, and essentially defragments your mental hard drive. It's the most important thing happening in your body every single night. But here's the problem. Most people are unknowingly sabotaging this process, and then wondering why they walk into rooms and forget why they came. Sound familiar? The good news, what you eat before bed can either turbocharge this overnight brain repair or shut it down completely. Let's talk about 5 foods that actually force your brain to heal while you sleep. Number 1, kiwi. 2 kiwis eaten about an hour before bed have been shown in clinical studies to improve sleep onset, duration, and quality. They're loaded with serotonin precursors and antioxidants that directly support memory consolidation. Don't underestimate the fuzzy little fruit. It's basically a sleeping pill that also tastes good. Number 2, walnuts. Walnuts are one of the only foods that naturally contain melatonin, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, all in one wrinkly little package. The DHA in walnuts specifically supports the prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for learning, recall, and making decisions you won't regret. A small handful before bed, that's all you need. Number 3, tart cherry juice. This one sounds like something your grandmother made up, but the science is real. Tart cherries are one of the richest natural sources of melatonin on the planet. They also reduce inflammation in the brain, and chronic neuroinflammation is one of the biggest drivers of memory decline. 8 ounces before sleep. Your neurons will thank you in the morning. Number 4, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. If you can stomach them at dinner, you're feeding your brain pure rocket fuel. These fish are packed with omega-3s and vitamin D, which work together to regulate serotonin production and support the deep sleep stages where memory is actually recorded into long-term storage. Think of it as saving your mental files before you shut down for the night. Number 5, pumpkin seeds. Tiny, underrated, absolutely loaded with magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, 3 compounds your brain desperately needs to cycle through proper sleep stages. Magnesium alone has been shown to improve memory in aging adults. A small handful of pumpkin seeds is basically a multivitamin for your sleeping brain. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people eat reasonably well and still wake up foggy, forgetful, and running on mental fumes. Why? Because food alone can't compensate for a magnesium-deficient, chronically under-recovered nervous system. And if you're over 35, your body's ability to absorb and utilize magnesium drops significantly. That's where magnesium glycinate comes in. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Magnesium glycinate is the most bioavailable form of magnesium, meaning your body actually uses it instead of just flushing it out. It's been shown to deepen slow-wave sleep, reduce nighttime cortisol, and here's the part that'll get you. It's been directly linked to improved memory recall and neuroplasticity. You can find it on Amazon, and the reviews are basically people saying, "I finally sleep like a human being again." Look for a highly rated magnesium glycinate capsule with at least 200 to 400 milligrams per serving. Take it about 30 minutes before bed. Stack it with your kiwi and your tart cherry juice, and you've basically built a nighttime brain repair protocol that would make a neuroscientist genuinely proud. Your brain works hard for you every single day. The least you can do is give it the right fuel to fix itself every single night. Start tonight. Sleep smarter. Wake up sharper. Your future self will remember that you did. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.